Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can switch to a creator account on Instagram. So from Instagram here, you want to go to the profile section down here. Now on the profile section, you want to click on the three bars on top here. Now on top, you want to scroll down until you find account types. Keep scrolling down and there you go, account type. Just tap on that. And then let's switch to professional account. Now from the professional account, later we're also going to switch to a creator account. So switch to professional account, click on next. Click on whatever categories you are. So I'm just going to do artist. Switch to professional account like this. Now let's just wait for it to load. And of course, we want to be a creator. So creator account. Click on next again. I'm just going to do not now. And then that's it. You're done. You can exit out. And now you're a professional account like this. A professional account that's a creator. So that is how you do this. Very easy. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.